Hello and welcome to day 8 of Heart. Today is going to be a short meditation. So we will begin by lying down flat on your back. Come on down to the ground. And if you're interested in some heart opening while we lie here, you can always take a towel or a blanket rolled up and place it lengthwise right along your spinal column. Let the shoulder blades drape over the sides. You can even do that with a block on the second setting. You place the first one horizontal on your mat so that it falls right underneath the bottom of the shoulder blades, kind of where a bra strap would be. And then the second block on the second setting, second highest setting, would come underneath the head to support you, and you'd let the shoulders and chest open as much as you'd like. But if you choose to just lie flat, tuck the shoulder blades underneath you, palms face up, get some external rotation of the arm bones, a position to receive. And if this hurts your lower back to have the legs long, bend the knees, let the knees knock in, the feet come out a little bit wider than the hips for some support. So today we'll work on a heart opening meditation. It'll be nice and short. I'll invite you to close the eyes completely or just to keep them soft, not focus your gaze on anything in particular. Start with breath. Slow inhale. Easy open mouth. 2 more inhale. Easy open mouth. 1 more, take a breath in. Open mouth. Find natural rhythms of your breath. Relax the toes, the ankles. Relax the space behind your knees. With every breath, feel your wrists get a little heavier towards the ground. Your shoulder area fall more open as you let go of tension. Your jaw becomes slack. The space between your eyebrows softens. Take a slow inhale. Gentle open mouth. Tune into your heart. Can you feel the beat in your chest? Can you hear the steady rhythm? Start to let your awareness travel through the arms, down into your hands and your fingertips. Stay still. Can you notice the pulsation right at the tips of your fingers? Your heart pumping, oxygen filled, red blood cells to an area so far away from the center of your body. Travel your awareness back up through your arms, down through the belly, the pelvis, the legs, and into the tips of your toes. Stay still. Can you find your pulsation, your heartbeat there? Slowly now, Take awareness up through the feet. Stay relaxed around the ankles. Up through the legs. No tension behind your knees. Through pelvis, belly, and chest. As you relax again through the shoulders, feel the heart open a millimeter more. Jaw is slack. Relax through the corners of your eyes, the space between your brow. Bring awareness back to your chest. With every single breath, can you allow the shoulder blades to release a little more into the earth underneath you? Allow the chest to expand, to be so full of life, compassion, and goodness. Take a slow breath in. Open mouth, release. Start with the toes. Bring some awareness just there as they begin to move in space. Start to feel the soles of your feet liven. Gentle flex, point, roll of the ankles. You'll notice the legs liven. If your knees are not already bent, go ahead and bend them. Rest the soles of your feet on the ground. Start to let the knees gently sway from side to side. And then start to bring some motion into the fingertips as they tap the air. Open and close the palms. Roll through the ankles and wrists. As you begin to bend the elbows, we have some full body movement. Shrug the shoulders by the ears. Rock the head from left to right. And then find stillness. However you would like, make your way into a seat. No rush. Palms touch, hands to heart, chin to chest. Thank you for finding stillness and openness in the heart space with me today. From my heart to yours, Yogi.